guys, it's Tina again, and today I'm gonna do this neutral look. This is gonna be a one brand tutorial. I'm gonna use all of Maybelline products. I don't have that entire collection or range because I am no Bill Gates, but I have some products from their range and I wanted to play around with them and show you that you don't need a lot of makeup products to be versatile and you don't need makeup brushes to be a pro at it. I have used my bare hands for the entire makeup tutorial, so have fun, keep watching, and the product descriptions are gonna be below, and just have fun. To hydrate my lips, I'm using the Lip Smooth Color Bloom in the shade Peach Blossom. It is very important to hydrate your lips before you apply matte lipsticks, otherwise the lipstick may crease and also feather from your lips. I'm going to be using the Clear Glow BB Cream in the shade 01 Nude. I try to come up with multiple priming solutions for your face because it is very important to prime your face before you apply your makeup so that the rest of your look has something to adhere to. For my base, I'm going to use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 310. Highlight and conceal, I'm going to use the Dream Lumi Touch Highlighting Concealer in the shade Honey Miel. I was planning to keep this for a video that I'm going to upload later this month, but I could not resist and opened the packaging the moment I came home. It took me a while to get used to how this product works. It can take multiple twists for you to actually start getting the product on the brush tip. So do not worry, you've not gotten a really faulty piece. To set all of the liquid products below, I'm going to use the Fit Me Set and Smooth Pressed Powder in the shade 310. It comes with a mirror and a puff, which is really great. I would prefer these puffs to any powder brushes because they make sure that you don't move around your creamy liquidy concealers and also apply more product, which the brushes tend to just dust away. For my eyes, I'm going to use the Expert Wear eyeshadow in this shade Lasting Lilac. This is really old. I don't know why I still own this, but since I had no eyeshadow from Maybelline at all, I had to use this product. I'm using the lighter lilac-y color on the inner 2/3 of my eye with my ring finger. I'm putting the darker violet shade on the outer third of my eye. To gently line my upper waterline, I'm going to use the Colossal Kajal in the black shade. Since I have comparatively small eyes, I only line the outer third of my lower waterline. If you want, you can go all the way. To paint my lashes, I'm going to use the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is in the washable variant. You can never go wrong with a lot of mascara, so be very generous. Fortunately, I do not own a single blush from Maybelline, so I'm going to use the Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color in the shade Madly Magenta or M402 to add a hint of pink to my cheeks. I'm wiping off the excess balm so that I can get started with the lips. A nude mauve lip would look great with this look, so I'm using the Color Show lipstick in the shade 404 Forever Mauve. Here's a quick tip if you want to make sure that no lipstick gets stuck to your teeth, which is a common situation with me. Put your thumb in your mouth and pull it out, and all of that excess lipstick that would have gotten stuck to your teeth otherwise will come right out. To add a dab of gloss, I'm going to use the shade Glam 5 from the Color Sensational range and just pat it into the center of my lip. I wanted a little bit of definition for my brows, which essentially frame my face, so I got rid of the excess product on the mascara tube and very lightly brushed the comb on my brows. If you have a fairly heavier hand, you might as well skip this step. And that is the finished look. I hope you like it. I've kept it really subtle and natural because a lot of people have liked my Neutralead video than the really amped up look. I am someone who likes a lot of drama, but I make the videos especially for you people, and if you guys don't like it, then I don't know what the point of it is. And if you want, you can go for a more nude lip or a really amped up eyeshadow look. And it all depends on you. You do you, girl. I always recommend you guys to not go for the entire look if you're not comfortable with it. But if you like certain parts of it, maybe the lip look or the eye look, just pick up elements and try to make your own thing and play around with makeup. And you are the best judge of what looks good on you. I know that to be true above anything else when it comes to makeup. So play around with your makeup games, and like the lipstick, there is so much you can do with one product. And if you want, I can show you a lot of ways how you can use a mascara or a lipstick or an eyeshadow, because I mean, that's the beauty of it. Like, the versatility of each product is how you make your small vanity worth $1,000. So I'm gonna come up with a haul video pretty soon because it's my birthday and it's July and I am really excited, and I'm planning on hauling a lot when it comes to makeup. I don't know how big my haul is gonna be, but I will sure keep you guys updated. So keep on watching and stay tuned so that I can give you as many makeup videos as I can. Like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and comment down below if you have any suggestions, if you have any queries, if you just want to tell me something you hate about me or something you love about me. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!